Hi guys, Mejga Emmanuel here, your favorite solar energy guide. Follow me as I take you through the process of our ongoing 10 kilowatt hour solar energy system installation. You can see on the roof, we have our installers mounting the solar panels already. And here we will be using 6 units of 605 watt solar panels. The whole solar panels that will be up there will be connected in series. And from our compass, behind me is the north. By my side here is the east, and here we have the west and the south. And this is the best position for us to install the solar panel, because if we install it facing the east, it will only receive sunlight from the morning. And if we install it the back of this side, it will only receive sunlight maybe from around 11 or 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So this is the best position to install the solar panel, so that at least from morning, when you have a sunrise from the east, there will be a little ray from the sun casting on the solar panels, and your solar panel can receive sun rays from morning down till evening, so that your battery bank could remain at float or at bulk till evening. Now let me show you what we have inside, tell you the specifications, and what we are about to do. Here are the panels, 605 watts each, and these are bifacial solar panel, which can have a 10 to 20% gain behind. But presently our client doesn't have money for the carport, so we'll be installing these guys on the roof, and that's the reason why we're installing them on the roof. So the panels will be performing as monofacial. So now let's go inside so that you see what we have here. Sorry, the place is still under repairs, be under construction. Here we'll be mounting AC/DC fan, though the client bought this himself. I will be helping him in mounting this guy. Not everybody can mount this fan because it's AC/DC, so you need the electronics slash electrical idea to mount this very fan. The fan consumes just about 38 watts, and that is the reason why he got them. He wants them on the inverter. Now come here. Here you can see we are still on process, not yet done, but we are almost done. We are like 90% done. It's just to power up the house and cover most of this naked stuff we are seeing. Here we have a 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter from Seawatt that can handle up to 6,000 watt power from the solar panels. So from the look of things, Seawatt reduced the physical size of their 6 kilowatt inverter, but it's still 6 kilowatt. Now I've not confirmed the fan noise of this very inverter, whether it will be as loud as the initial Seawatt we know, or maybe the fan noise have been reduced. So it can handle 6,000 watt power from the solar panels, a 48 volts hybrid inverter. And here we have a 10 kilowatt hour wall mount lithium battery from Limax that comes with 80% depth of discharge, and it has a very big screen for you to see what the battery is doing. Sorry, the battery is off. So when you put the battery on here, you can see everything that the battery is doing from the battery screen, which is a nice one. So one thing I know like about this battery, now this handle. Now, if one person will mount this battery now, it would be very, very hard for them to mount on wall. It's better the hands are by the side, so that it will be easy for somebody to raise it and mount it on wall. But every other thing, this design is sleek, very slim, can fit into the wall. The battery can be mounted two-way, either on wall or you keep it on floor. Now, if you don't trust your wall is not too strong, you can drop this battery on floor. And if you trust your wall, you believe that your wall is strong enough, you can mount it on wall, just like we did here. And here's our protective device, our DC breaker, DC SPD, our voltage guard, and our AC breaker to isolate the NEPA or the grid from the inverter if you don't want the grid to pass through the inverter. And here we have an automatic fire extinguisher in case there is fire outbreak from this box, because recent time we had the experience with some of these boxes having problem either from the SPD or from the DC breaker or from the AC breaker. This guy will be responsible for putting out the fire. Here we have our manual changeover to switch between inverter output and the grid input or the grid output to the house. So like I told you guys initially, we have 6 units of 605 watt solar panels on the roof connected in series to this very inverter, because the inverter can handle up to 500 VDC, that means 500 volt from the solar panel. This system will be powering a 4-bedroom duplex. This system will not be powering the air conditioner, just the basic home appliances, the microwave, deep freezer, fridge, the fans, the TV, and the lighting point. Even though he will use AC to be once in a blue moon, and that will be during the peak hours when the sun is high. That is when he will use at most 1 horsepower AC on the system. So if you want something like this, don't forget to give us a call. This guy just cost about 3.950. to get one done. So call us. We are readily available to install one for you.